Step into a world where ideas become reality, where furniture isn't just crafted, but carefully woven into the fabric of life. This is DFurn, born in 1991 from a passion for furniture that began in 1985. Established in the heart of Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, from humble beginnings, DFurn has grown to become a symbol of excellence in modular furniture manufacturing. Our sprawling campus is a testament to our commitment to excellence. With over 350,000 square feet of land, DFurn provides employment to more than 200 local talents, fostering economic growth in the region. With monthly capacity of processing 750 tons of mild steel and 48,000 square feet of engineered wood, DFurn's cutting-edge machinery and the team that handles it are the backbone of our operations, allowing us to craft furniture that's second to none. And we don't stop there. Our expandable capacity ensures that we're always ready to meet the growing demands of our customers. Our unique combination of metal and wood gives our furniture a distinct edge in design and durability in 6 broad categories: office, residential, hospitality, institutional, industrial, and outdoor furniture. Our ability to innovate designs, driven by market insights, are the heart of DFurn modular systems. From concept to creation, our commitment to exceptional design and execution ability sets us apart, offering you furniture that blends beauty, functionality, and affordability for your spaces. In our metal processing division, precision is paramount. Our CNC machines ensure unmatched precision in sheet metal shearing, bending and punching, allowing us to create intricate parts and flawless designs. High-speed welding equipments, guided by the skilled technicians, guarantee strong and seamless joints, ensuring the longevity of every piece of furniture. Quality isn't just a word for us, it's a way of life. Our strict quality standards and efficient management processes guarantee that you receive nothing but the best from DFurn modular systems. The powder coating process is not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally friendly, thanks to carefully monitored effluent treatment plant (ETP). DFurn takes pride in crafting furniture from engineered wood using a blend of traditional craftsmanship and state-of-the-art technology. Our precision protocols, thanks to Italian and German machinery, including CNC routers and edge banding machines, ensure flawless finishes. With skilled workmanship overseeing every step, we create enduring pieces that seamlessly blend form and function. The attention to detail doesn't end with production. Our rigorous packing standards ensure that every piece reaches you in pristine condition, ready to adorn your spaces. Whether it's across the globe or around the corner, our efficient dispatch system, complete with export containers and a fleet of trucks and tempos, ensures that your orders reach you on time, every time. To experience DFurn's product range firsthand, visit factory outlet that showcase pride in their products, which combine innovative designs with quality features that make every piece a statement of excellence. Our reach extends beyond borders, with our products gracing homes, offices, hotels and motels across the USA and number of other countries. We're proud to be a part of your spaces. Our dedication to excellence has not gone unnoticed. We've been honored with awards like the prestigious CNN-IBN Award and recognition from the Times of India. Ready to experience DFurn modular systems for yourself? Connect with us today. If you are a dealer or distributor, explore our catalog and take the first step towards propagating our vision faster. Explore our website and have your orders delivered to your door. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our world of innovation, quality, and craftsmanship.